On a late April morning, in a secret patch of forest in the Cairngorms National Park, the air resonates with the sound of one of Scotland's rarest birds. Capercaillie are the world's biggest grouse. Just like his smaller moorland cousins, this male comes here every morning to strut his stuff. But today is special. The hens are here to spectate. They only visit this site for a few days a year. And they'll only mate with the most dominant male. It's his last chance to impress them. He just has one more rival to deal with. The challenger beats a retreat. Victory is his. And as king of the Capercaillies, he gains the attention of all the hens. He soon builds up quite an entourage. And when he's done showing off, he'll mate with all of them. The older pine cones are drying out and opening up, making the seeds inside accessible to a hungry, rare red squirrel. In his rush to reach them, some of the cones get dislodged and fall to the forest floor. It'll be just as easy to eat them down there. But he needs to be quick. A younger male has just spotted them. And to him, the fallen cones are like manna from heaven. Stealing one will be much easier than collecting his own. He must make a fast getaway, or the hard-working squirrel will catch him. The small seeds between the scales are high in fat and protein. The energy they provide will help the young thief compete with the older males once the breeding season ramps up. It's May in Shetland, and the Puffin breeding season is well underway. Most birds have already moved into their burrows. And are putting the finishing touches to their nests. But an inexperienced male is lagging behind. He's only just found a mate. And now he needs to find somewhere for her to lay their egg. All the best burrows are already taken. And the one he's left with has partially caved in. Now begins the hard work of digging it out. And he'd better be quick. Skuas are near. They're big, powerful birds, with a hooked bill for tearing flesh, and a reputation for violence, even amongst their own kind. For maximum safety, the Puffin needs his burrow to be at least 3 feet deep. But rocks are slowing the excavation down. The closer skuas get, the more nervous the female Puffin becomes. But finally, the burrow is ready. Now at least, they have somewhere safe to lay their egg. While spring in Shetland is only just reaching its peak, it already feels like summer in Moffat, 300 miles to the south. In an old oak grove nearby, a female goosander has hatched 12 chicks of her own. The scent of the nest will soon attract predators like weasels. Her babies will be safer on the river. But first they'll need to pluck up the courage to get there. One small step for an adult duck. But one giant leap for a day-old duckling. They've all made a leap of faith. Now they must follow Mum to the river before they're spotted. Their turbulent new world is a 10-minute hike away. But once there, they take to it like ducks to water.